Welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to show you how to enable Share My Location with your driver in the Yango app. This is very useful if you want your driver to see exactly where you are for a smoother ride. We will walk you through the process. First, open the Yango app on your smartphone. Next, locate the three horizontal lines at the top left. Then, scroll down and click on Settings to open the app settings. After that, find the option Share My Location with Driver and turn it on. Next, the app will ask you to go to your phone settings to grant permissions. Click on Go to Settings and then find the Permissions section. Then, click on Location to manage how the app can access your location. Finally, choose Allow Only while using the app so that your location is shared securely and only when necessary. Once you have done, go back and turn on again. Share My Location with Driver. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.